Material should then be cut for the required coves, being careful to keep the direction of the sheeting the same as that on the floor, if possible. PC20 cove former should be installed in the cove corners, and suitable or specified capping should be installed again to the mark of the chalk line, just covering the mark on the wall. As you will see from the video clip, a small piece of carefully cut cove former can be installed over the corner join to ensure that it does not collapse. Where mitered in the corner, this has to be chamfered from the back to give a smooth edge which will not show through the sheeting. When fitting the capping in the corners, it is usually the correct procedure to fitting corners whereby one piece is fitted straight into the corner and the second piece is profiled and cut to match the capping curve. It is preferable to cut and match the corner carefully and not to run the capping through the corner, because at a later date it is possible, because of the difficulty in getting tightly into a right-angled corner, that it will pull away and leave a gap. Again, as shown in the video clip, the capping should be applied to the wall, just covering the chalk line. You will notice that Charles is using a flat, clean, smooth paint scraper to press the capping firmly onto the wall. This has a similar effect to the heavy roller on the floor and is crucial if you do not want the capping to be pulled away from the wall at a later stage. When fitting the capping around an external corner, it is important to keep it tight and ensure that it is rubbed firmly against the wall. Initially, you will notice that the cap pulls flat as you go around the corner, and to eliminate this, a short 20mm piece of welding rod cut to a taper at each end can be inserted under the cap at the corner, and this will maintain the shape of the curved lip of the capping. Similarly, when applying the PC20, it should be pushed tight into the cove to ensure good bond to the floor and wall area.